Few days ago, I saw a video uploaded by MythPat, a popular gaming channel, and in that he plays the game Hole in the Wall. Hole in the Wall was a show that was aired on cartoon channels when I was a kid. So even I wish to play this game. But the problem is I don't have Xbox Kinetic. I went to fandom page and found out that Kinetic is a device that is used for motion sensing and it is used to play such games using gestures. So, for this reason, I thought to make my own game which can be played just by using camera and no need of any external device. We are in 2023, so it's obvious we have done many advancement in AI to achieve this thing. So, in this video, I will be creating a hole in the wall game which can be played by anyone. This is the part 1 of the video, and in this I would just be doing the setup and check if communication between the front end of my game and the actual game is happening smoothly. Since accessibility is main goal of my project, I need my game to be a web app so that a user don't need to install anything. I need to detect poses from the user from the camera input. This is not something new for me as I have made many projects before, but in that I have always used Python as a backend. And in this project it is not possible as real-time communication is needed. I tried using sockets to create a Python backend using Flask sockets, but communication between front-end and backend was taking too long and it was not giving a real-time experience. So I have to make this detection possible in front end itself. I would be using React because I am very much familiar with it and making changes would be more easier compared to vanilla JavaScript in my opinion. Next comes the Unity. Now this is something I have never done before. I never created a 3D game before this and after researching a little I found out Unity is a software many beginners use to make the games and it supports WebGL. So I decided to make this game using Unity. And next comes the Blender. I will be using Blender to create my character. Again, this is a new thing for me and it would be done in the next part of the video. Last thing is deployment. So in this video, we would be seeing how we can take the input from the camera, then detect poses and perform communication between Unity and our React frontend. The next part, which will be actually creating the character, then animation rigging and deployment would be in the next videos. First, I made a scene in Unity. It has left and right shoulders, elbows and wrist. They are just cubes, but using Blender we will be creating a whole humanoid model. These cubes are just used to check how we can make and send signals from React and to move these cubes. After creating this scene and attaching C# script, I have exported it in WebGL format. We are using UseEffect of MediaPipe. MediaPipe has its own official NPM package which can be used to detect poses and to get output in JSON format. Then this JSON object is converted to string and sent to Unity. Again, this is possible due to React Unity WebGL package and in the send message function which you can see on the screen, we are invoking the function change codes of the root object with the parameter as the JSON string. Then in the C# script, the change code functions is responsible to change the position of the cubes every time this change code function is invoked. So first we are taking the input JSON string and converting into the format of C#. Then we are looping to the each element of the post data. After exporting the build from Unity, we can see a output. Here we can see that cube's position is changed based on the arms action. In the next video, we would be making a humanoid structure using Blender and these cubes will be removed.